Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word herringbone in depth. First, the definition. Herringbone means a zigzag pattern resembling fish bones, often seen in textiles or masonry. Think of it simply as a repeated V-shaped design like connected fish skeletons. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Herringbone traces back to ancient Roman road designs and textiles. Over time, it's been used by builders and fashion designers alike. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use herringbone in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The herringbone pattern on the wooden floor added elegance to the room. Correct example 2. She chose a herringbone tweed jacket for the formal event. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to herringbone my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using herringbone correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Herringbone means a zigzag pattern resembling fish bones. It comes from ancient Roman designs, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with herringbone down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.